So we're doing a bit of a test. So we've just got off the boat at Sapphire Falls and we're now going to walk from Sapphire Falls to Cabana Bay, see how long it takes.
What timer?
So timer... Go. It says it's a 30.
It says what, sorry?
So this says it's a 13-minute walk.
So apparently it's a 13-minute walk, this is. I'm not going to cut the camera, I'm just going to keep filming. As we got off the water taxi, Steph wanted to turn left like on Google Maps here and take the longer route by the looks of it. And I was like, no, we're going to go through the hotel, it's definitely quicker. So we're going to save some time, and we're going to walk through the hotel. So keep watching and see what route we take. Nice one. You can see at the end, don't follow Google Map. We can put like a real map on there. We can do it on Strava now. So we're just walking into Sapphire Falls. The door will open. We've got Ametista on the right. Caribbean food. It might go a bit dark now because of the filter on the camera. Just try and take it off mid camera. There we go. So we want lobby on level 4. We stayed here in October last year, 2024. Halloween Horror Nights, it was absolutely amazing. And then you come into the lobby, you've got Strong Water Tavern on the right here, and then the exit is just here. We'll put the filter back on. There we go. With sunglasses for my camera. So you come out of here, you've got Aventura there, we're going to turn right. What's the map saying now, Steph? Out we're here. Does it say they go this way though? Cool. Yeah, 319. So yeah, it's not that far, is it really? So originally Google Maps said it was a 14-minute walk with like a walk outside the hotel. You mean Aventura, not Adventura. Steph has made up loads of D in the name of this hotel apparently.
Aventura is literally...
Yeah. Well the thing is you could walk back to your room in 4 minutes from there, couldn't you? Like... So really, there's no difference staying Aventura.
That's why I'm sort of leaning towards. So sorry, people are trying to work out.
Yeah, we've got a holiday in a few months coming up, and we can basically book Cabana Bay or Aventura on the annual pass rate. The difference is £10. So, if anyone's got any thoughts on that, should we stay at Cabana Bay? Should we stay at Aventura? So we're going to find the crosswalk now to cross the road. So please use the garden walk to access Cabana Bay. Is that what it's saying? So we're going to obey the rules because we're on camera. What's the Google Maps saying? Is there a crosswalk there? There isn't, is there?
Doesn't look like it.
No, let's not do it then. Yeah, let's not do it. Possibly, yeah. I thought there was a crosswalk there, so really, so far Avonshore is winning, isn't it?
is because I ran this route.
Okay.
So I remember there being a couple of crops which were at the lagoon.
Yeah. But we were going to go left out of there, so we should have turned right. But then you have to go through the hotel, don't you? Through the pool, I think. I'm listening to you. That's the pool bit though, isn't it? You use a key card to get through. Ah, if we're staying on site, yeah, okay.
So like, we would be able to scan out the card down.
If we were staying. Oh right, we have cars, yeah. In the summer, yeah, that makes sense. So where do we cross then? Is it that bridge there?
Yeah.
Oh god.
That was what I was thinking of.
But we went the other way though. I thought there was a cross, we could cross the road there, that's why I did it.
I don't like.
It might take a bit of time, because was that what he was saying? Is that right? Okay. Yeah, I feel like you're cutting a little bit out by going through the hotel, aren't you? Potentially.
No, I will have to show you on the map.
Okay.
Walking.
Already I'm like bored of this walk. Getting back to the boat.
I think I want to sit actually.
Yeah.
Because we could come over here and do the pool one day.
And the bowling alley, that kind of stuff.
Sapphire Falls as well,
Yeah.
which we know is a nice pool.
It's a nice walk at least.
Yeah, we'll have to check what the
So we're currently over the bridge now, crossing over to Cabana Bay. Now, depending on where your room is, it could be a really long walk from here as well. So this has been 8 minutes so far. It's just, I think the pool's closed, so I'm not going to film anybody in the pool if we are catching the pool. Gates are open here. I'm now into Cabana Bay. That's 9 minutes exactly from when we started filming. It's got like a motel feel, hasn't it? Should we stop there? Or keep going to the entrance?
No, that's fine. So we've been 9 minutes.
Yeah. Right, that's the walk to Cabana Bay from the Sapphire Falls water taxi. Just under 10 minutes if you go through the hotel. It says 12 or 14 on the Google Maps. So whether it's quicker or not, we walk quite quick. We're just scanned in because we're staying out in the summer, so you can't actually get into all the hotels. Confirmed. Cheers.